Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover and this is a tutorial for my Everglow 봉봉쇼콜라 inspired nails. First, apply base coat to all of your fingernails. Then paint your index and ring fingernails red, your middle fingernail black, and your thumbnail coral. The pinky fingernail, I'm just applying a thin layer of a glitter polish just to make it sticky, applying latex barrier on the skin and sponging on the silver glitter, and I'm using a sponge to get rid of the excess clear polish that comes with the glitter polish. Once you're done, peel off the latex barrier and apply a generous layer of top coat. For the index fingernail, I've applied striping tape diagonally as shown, and I'm just going to be filling in every other section that's created by these striping tapes with black polish and then just peeling off my striping tape to reveal the stripes. For the middle fingernail, I'm going to be drawing the main hand gesture of the choreography, which is when they bring their hands up to their heads. So they're it looks like they're pinching stuff between their fingers, but obviously they're not. They're just kind of holding them together. So I'm drawing two of those. They're just the mirror images of each other, and I use Yiren's hands as a reference. Then I mixed in a bit of white polish to add highlights to the arm area and also the back of the hand. Next, take a slightly darker tan and add some shadows to show off the individual fingers so you know which ones are pinching together and which ones are in the back. Then use a light brown to add some shading. And then on top of that, add some dark brown to add harsher shading and also to further separate the fingers. For the ring fingernail, I created a plaid pattern. I started off by laying down some really wide stripes in black polish and then going over some areas of the stripes with red polish to create really thin lines, and I did this vertically and horizontally. Next, I'm just going back in with black polish to draw thinner lines. For the thumb, I'm going to be drawing Everglow's logo in white polish. You're going to start with a medium-sized circle in the center of the nail, and you want to leave the left part of it blank so that you can write E in that place. And a little to the right of the E, start drawing a smaller circle and leaving the bottom right portion of that empty so that you can write a lowercase g. And finish this design off by applying a generous layer of top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!